When you are speaking live, there is an energetic exchange that takes place that you can't do through other mediums. You have the ability to read an audience and read a room, get feedback from them. I can get a little bit of feedback from you guys now because, okay, so let me just give you an example. All of you that are watching right now, share with me, how are you, how long do you think you're going to stay, and how are you already feeling about what I'm sharing? And just give me a feeling or an essence of what you are getting and experiencing so far watching this Facebook Live, and I'll show you what I mean here. So just make a comment below in the comment box. There's Karen Coffee. Hey, Karen. I'd love to have you do a speaking event here in the Cayman Islands. Well, I would love to live in the Cayman Islands. We're in. Tell us where to go. I'm going to, Carol Boston is saying, I'm going to stay here the whole time. I want to learn. Allison Palmer says, I'm staying till the end. Brandy says, I love learning from you. Okay, awesome. I'm getting some feedback, and that's useful, but I had to ask for that feedback. Right? Now, sometimes you'll just get it naturally. Here's another great example. Show me some love. Can we get some hearts going? Right? I can ask for that. I can say, can we get some, some love flowing and get the hearts rolling and like the Facebook Live. Also, I'm going to ask you this. This is one thing you can't do actually in an in-person medium. You can share details on social media, but I can ask you, will you share this right now? So just go up to the top where it says share, and share this with your page that I'm going live. And over the next 45 minutes, I'm going to be talking about how to get clients from in-person speaking gigs, and I'm going to answer questions, and I'm going to coach people live. So if you don't mind, share that. So there are some things I can do, but I'm asking for your support, and I'm kind of having to check in and engage you in the feedback. Whereas in a live in-person room, I'm able to read that feedback. I can see, I don't have one in front of me, but are you on your smartphone? Are you taking notes? Are you on the edge of your seat, or are you kind of wandering? Are you confused? Are you excited? Are you a little afraid and anxious? All of those things I'm able to gather for a room, which allows me to position my offer in the moment. And that's the beauty of live in-person speaking. It's the beauty of improvisation. It's the beauty of being in the moment with people face to face, and that connection that allows you to make a bigger impact, to potentially get more clients and customers faster, and to have a higher level of conversion.